Okay, Bob, what do we have here?
We have a 1963 Willys Jeep J-200 four-wheel drive vehicle.
And you discovered it where?
Somewhere over towards Victorville.
So in the California desert.
Yes. Yes. And then we redid it from top to bottom.
So was it body off frame restoration or?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Changed engines out. It's got a 350 Chevy with a 700 R4 overdrive transmission that's adapted to the four-wheel drive. It still has the four-wheel drive. So this car can go down the freeway 70 miles an hour, even with the original rear end.
Huh. You sure don't see many of these.
I haven't looked in a long time. I have a J-200, but it's not nearly as nice as this. Barden bumper.
I'm sorry, what?
These are called Barden bumpers.
Hmm.
Trucks usually didn't come with bumpers then. So you could put a little chrome one on it or a little metal one, or get these Barden. Most people who did work with them used the Barden.
Huh. And the gun racks were in it when you found it?
No, those are my gun racks. Just seemed appropriate.
Yeah.
You know, actually I take that back. They were not up, but they were in the truck.
Hmm.
Has air conditioning. Vintage air. Did not come with it originally.
Mm-hmm. Super. Okay, Bob, what about this interior?
It's original interior except with the air conditioning added down below there. We reupholstered the seats and put carpet on the floor. Other than that, it's original. The radio's original. That was redone by a gentleman who specializes in Pismo.
Huh. And this is a push button for the...
For heating and air conditioning.
I see.
It's regular shift here for automatic. It said 700 R4, so it's a four-speed automatic.
And what about this power plant?
It's a 350 Chevy with a 700 R4 transmission, double wheel cylinders for safety, electronic ignition. Just a wonderful platform for this vehicle.
And how many miles are on this since you completed it, you think?
863.
Wow. It's brand new. Why don't you hop in there and fire it up for me, if you would, please?